Wala diyang mga itong dilawan. Lalo na, I hate to mention her name, but to si Lene, kung ano man mong pinagsasabi, alam mo, Lene, kung gusto mo, if you really want to do away with the COVID, isprehan natin itong Pilipinas o Manila ng pesticide galing sa aeroplano para patay lahat. You cannot exterminate the COVID by itong ano lang ngayon. And which is the only thing that we can do really is to wear a mask, wear a face mask, and that's it, and wait for the vaccine. It's COVID-19 equals vaccine. Huwag na ninyong palakihin ang problema. Do not add something to the pandemic by making such reckless statements as we are not doing enough. Ginagawa na ni Secretary Duque yung halos nga hindi na kumakain, hindi na natutulog sa trabaho. So, wag ninyo masyadong pasobrahan. And do not, I said, delude the people na bubulahin ninyo about not doing enough. Ay, mga bunganga niya, wala na ginawa para lang to criticize at idiin ang itong administrasyon. So wala malin silang magawa. Kita mo, may pare, sabi niya, ito si Duterte dapat may COVID. Day after siya ang nagkaroon ng COVID, ng putang ina niya. Baka nadapo rin sa akin yan, okay lang. There's no wise guy who can really pero when you ease up the requirements, delikado yan. Let us begin by congratulating Secretary Simato. You know, I remember that meeting, and I think everybody was there when I said, Del, kaya mong linisin to? And the answer was a very curtly given. Said, kaya, kung trabaho eh. And people now are really enjoying the reclaimed area with the white sand, maski na papano. Wala naman talaga tayong magawa. You do it, may masabi sila. You do not do it, may masabi sila ni. What do you want us to do? Ang problema kasi nitong often, yung magsabi na we are not doing enough. What can we do with the germ that's flying around? Is the microbe that cannot be controlled by any. Okay lang. Okay lang siya. Anong gawin mo, i-spray mo from the, gusto mo, i-spray mo from the sky. DDT. Wala mo tayong magawa dyan sa now going back to the sons of time of Simato. Napabilib niya ako when he accepted my dare. I don't know if you were there in the meeting sa hinamon ko siya. Sabi ko, kaya mo? Sabi niya, gaya ko, basta trabahuin lang. It was a very positive statement. It was not even a neutral thing or a thing that would border to speculative. Kaya basta yun, wala. Sinabi niya, kayahin ko. And people are now enjoying the benefits of the determined action of a cabinet member to do good. Lahat naman kayo, papasalamat ako sa tulong ninyo. I think that I would, kung wala kayo, I would have a very hard time running the country. But because you are there, I'm not saying I have succeeded. That is for the people to assess or give when I'm no longer the president. But what I'm trying to impress also upon the people is that we are doing our job. Period. If you like it, kagaya nila na yung mga dilawan, baski anong sabihin mo, hindi mo gawin, masama ka. Gawin. Sprayhan ka ng DDT. They're trying to delude people about, they're trying to picture that there is a failure of government. No, we have done our best. We have responded to the medical needs of the hirap lang at a very high cost of human effort kay Secretary Doge with all the mga atake. We are surviving and we are only waiting for the vaccine. Yun naman talaga ang ano mo. When you take COVID, what about COVID? It's vaccine. Wala tayong pag-usapan dyan. Unless the vaccine is there, available and effective, the efficacy is proven, then we can really say that we are moving as far as we are. If I were to try to answer a question of how's it developing, wala. The dynamics is that we are in still waters. Hindi naman tayo barko na but we are in still waters with the engine conked out. And that is what we have, unless the vaccine is there. And for as long as human beings continue to relate to each other, wala tayong magawa. At hindi natin makulong ang Pilipino. We have been trying to be very strict about itong violations ng quarantine. We don't like it. I don't like it. It's a transgression that's almost nalumbas ng bahay lang. Pero sa bagay, ito nag-iinuman, nagpaputang yun. Yan, dapat ikulong ng pulis. Pero yung naglalakad, non-emergency, pero yun, if you know the reason why, which is really true, and he needs to go out, then pulis na ang bahala dyan. You can give the direction. It's only those who really with intent to